My name's Katie Bright. I've recently graduated from Bangor University, where I studied learning disability nursing. I chose to come to Bangor University because I adore the area, the Snowdonia mountain range. I'm quite an outdoorsy person, so I love having access to the beach to take my sup down and enjoy fresh air. So Bangor really has everything on its doorstep. Plus they offered the learning disability course, which is not available in many places throughout the UK. I chose to study learning disability nursing as I specifically wanted to work with people who have a disability. I wanted to support and advocate for people with a disability. I knew it would be a really small cohort of pupils, and the staff were lovely and very supportive. So the course itself was a really good grounding in the theoretical side of things, and also it provided an array of opportunity, practice areas to gain experience in, inpatient experiences, community experiences, working alongside a wide variety of professionals, including nurses, healthcare assistants, occupational therapists, speech and language teams, psychology, psychiatry. So it was a really wealth of experience of learning, really, from different professionals, and the learning was quite in depth and very valuable, and it was a brilliant experience. I'm currently working at an assessment treatment unit that supports adults with learning disabilities and mental health conditions. We're currently supporting 7 patients, working together and coming together to support these patients to get well again and to get back into the community and just live their best life. The highlight for me was obviously working so closely with the patients. Each and every single one of them in all of my placements have been brilliant people to work alongside, but also the professionalism and the experience and the brilliance of the teams that I got to work with on placement was just an absolute pleasure. The quality of the learning that they could provide just through their experiences was brilliant, and I loved every one of my placements. It was just brilliant. As a busy mum, obviously balancing family life can be really difficult when you're studying full-time, especially when you've got full-time placements as well. The nursing degree was challenging in that regard. You need a really good network of family and friends around you, really good flexible childcare, and you also need to take time for self-care during the process as well. That's really important because it can be quite demanding and quite overwhelming, so you really need to find that time to set aside for yourself as well. 3 words I would use to describe learning disability nursing are varied. The patients are so different to each other, and the work that you do with them is so different. It's challenging. You can work with really complex patients, which makes it very involved, very challenging, but drives you. And then fun. It's loads and loads of fun. Every day is different, and I never walk away from my current position without having smiled and laughed at some point during the day, many times usually. So some advice to anyone considering learning disability nursing as a degree course and career would be go for it. There's so much to learn, so many variations of practice areas that you could work in. It'll be challenging. You'll learn new things all day, every day, even when you've qualified. And it's just brilliant. You'll have a ball. Do it.